Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Breast Cancer Support and Healing series. If you are currently going through chemotherapy, I want you to know this. Your body is not failing you. It is working incredibly hard. And right now, your role is not to be perfect. Your role is to support your body with as much nourishment, kindness, and compassion as possible. Today, I want to share the things that helped me the most. First, nourish your body. This is not the time for dieting. This is the time for nourishment. Try to get as many vitamins and minerals as possible from whole foods. Think about colorful vegetables and fruits, dark leafy greens, legumes and beans, nuts and seeds, high quality protein and healthy fats. And one thing I personally loved were fresh juices and smoothies. Because sometimes eating can feel difficult, but juices and smoothies can be a wonderful way to increase your nutrient intake, stay hydrated, support your gut health, and nourish your body gently. The goal is not perfection. The goal is nourishment. Then, it's about protecting your body. During chemotherapy, your immune system can be compromised. So please be extra gentle with yourself. Try to avoid people who are unwell. Ask family and friends not to visit if they feel sick. Avoid raw fish, raw meat and foods with high risk of contamination. Be cautious with moldy foods. Protect your skin from excessive sun exposure. And most importantly, give yourself permission to change your plans. I used to tell people I may cancel last minute depending on how I feel. And that's okay. Your health comes first. Boundaries are not selfish. They are part of healing. Then, focusing on moving gently and keep living. Exercise if and when you can. Not because you need to perform, but because movement can improve your mood, reduce fatigue, support muscle mass, and help your mental well-being. Even gentle walks outdoors can be incredible healing. Feel the sunshine safely. Listen to birds. Breathe fresh air. And please, keep making plans for the good days. Plan a coffee with a friend, a walk by the sea, a massage, a mini adventure, something that brings you joy. Because chemotherapy is part of your life. It is not your whole life. And then, what is very important is to learn to love your body again. This one is deeply personal. Your body may change. You may lose your hair. You may gain weight. You may feel like you no longer recognize yourself. But please remember, your body is not betraying you. Your body is fighting for you. And it deserves compassion, gratitude, nourishment, and kindness. Speak to your body gently. Love it through this process, not only after it. Chemotherapy is something you go through. It is not who you are, and your worth, beauty and femininity remain untouched by treatment. Now your action for this week is to ask yourself, how can I nourish my body better? What boundaries do I need? What joyful plans can I make for my good days? How can I show my body more love this week? These small acts of self-care matter the most, and they all add up. And if you would like more personalized support through treatment, as a transformational breast cancer coach and lifestyle oncology practitioner, I help many women support their body, mind and emotional well-being throughout diagnosis and treatment. You can start with the series, you will find the link in the captions, or explore my online program or book your first 60 to 90 minutes coaching and healing session. You do not have to navigate this journey alone. With love and healing, Veronica.